Hello guys, and welcome back to Not That Kind of a Channel. Today, as I told you in my last video, I will replace my reversing lights. Because all of you know, when you have an older car, your reversing light is more dark than bright, and yes, and so I decided to change these bulbs to LED bulbs. You can get these bulbs on Amazon for 15 euro. They come in a pack of 2. So this is an easy fix, and you can do this on your own. It will take you about 10 minutes of your time. Yes, and that's it. So I will do a comparison with the old bulbs in and with the new LED bulbs in. So yeah, I would say let's start and go back to the trunk. So the first tool, the first tool you need is a screwdriver, because you have to remove 2 screws. The first one is up here, and the second one is down here. So no big deal, just get the screws out. So the first one is out. The second one. So the next thing you have to do is you have to push this backlight out, so get it a little bit here and then push it a little bit harder, and that's it. So as you can see, here are some pins, some plastic pins. They were held by these plastic clips in here, so you be careful, because if you push it too hard then maybe they will crack or break. So yes, the next thing we need to do is unplug the light, and for that we have to pull this connector down and then push it out, and that's it. So the backlight, or the returning light, is in here. You have to turn it to the left, and then you can get it out. For the bulb, for releasing the bulb, it's the same way. You have to push it in and turn it to the left, and then it's released. So here are our new bulbs. So as you can see, they're surrounded by LED chips. Also on the top of the bulb there are LED chips. And what I forgot to say is these LED bulbs, they cause no CAN bus error. You can put them in and you won't get any error. I'm doing the same as before, but in the reverse order. So I take the bulb, pull it in, turn it around, and that's it. And the same thing is for the whole case here. You have here some spaces which should be aligned with these pins over here, and then get them in, turn them around, and that's it. So the next step is we have to align these pins. These pins should be aligned here, but before we connect our plug here, so easy as that, you hear a silent click, and then you know it's fixed. So now it's in, and then we align our clips here. So be careful not to break them. Okay, so these are aligned, and then pull it in. Yeah, and that's it. And the only thing you have to do now is to get the screws back in place, and that's it. So let's get them in. First one, and down here the second one. The same thing as we did here on the passenger side, needs to be done on the driver's side, but I won't show you this because it's very easy and it's really the same. You have two screws, you have to pull it out, change the bulb, and that's it. So as I said in my last videos, I really want to do to calibrate my air suspension with the Gap IID tool, and on the last and one of my next videos will be how to replace or how to install the tire pressure control system, because I have my winter tires, they don't have this control system, and every time you get in the car and start the ignition, the car said, oh, you don't have the tire pressure control system is not available, and you have to press OK and then it's gone. But it's annoying over time, and so I choose to buy this control system. You will get it for 70 or 80 euros as an aftermarket replacement. And it's much cheaper than the Land Rover one, because this will cost you 400 euros without installation. So as I said at the beginning of this video, now I will show you how these LEDs work in the dark in comparison to the old bulbs. And if you find this video helpful, please give me a like, or if you want to see more content, or if you have any questions or want to see something else, please let me know in the comments and subscribe. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye. So hello guys, as I said before, it's now dark, and now I want to show you how bright those lights are. And if you already see, I'm lightened up, and you can see how bright these LEDs are for the reversing lights. So I will grab the camera and then I'll show you how. So guys, as you saw before, the lights are so bright that they lighten up the whole way to our house. And yes, I will really recommend them because they will only cost you 15 euro and you get a much better reversing light than you had before. So thank you, bye.